Welcome to Business with Joe. How to make money on social media in 2021. There's no doubt that social media is a big part of our lives. We use different platforms to contact friends, get news, and find fun content. In this video we'll show you how to make money with social media, as many people already do. All you'll need is a computer or smartphone and internet access to get started. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos to help you make money. The first thing you need to do is choose the right platform. Most of us already have profiles on multiple social networks. It takes only a few minutes to access your profile and start uploading images and content. When you use social media to make money, you may need to be more selective. People make money on every platform, however, it makes sense that some platforms attract more influencers and marketers, but you can get results anywhere. Think about what type of content you want to create and how you like to engage with other people. Engagement rates is the main thing to influence your decision. Engagement means likes, shares, comments, and views. The more you engage with other users on social media, the better results you will get. So it will depend what you want to sell, say, post and discuss. Twitter, for example, has high engagement rates on tweets about news and politics. Instagram is about posting nice images. LinkedIn is about business. Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok attract the most influencers. Many brands want to advertise their products and services on these platforms. So, if you have a good following, you can generate more revenue. Choose a niche. The niche is the topic you will be posting about. For example, if you focus on holidays and create relevant content, your niche is travel. It is important to think about this step because it will determine your strategy. You need to start with something you like. In many cases, your niche will be a natural choice for you. You need to have a passion for it, as you potentially could be posting about it for a long time. Your niche or passion will determine your strategy and the style of your account. For example, some YouTubers create videos with great hotels and travel experiences, while others get in front of the camera and share their experiences. These two ways of making videos cover two different niche styles. The same applies to Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. If you don't show yourself on social media, you can easily outsource your content. You can find a freelancer on Fiverr to create a few videos for YouTube and other platforms. Personal accounts can't get outsourced. But people prefer to follow real people on social media. Publish good content and increase your engagement rates. Social media is all about content. Whether you publish images, videos, or articles, your content will determine your results. You must publish interesting posts that get the attention of other people in your niche. Your content will reach other people, get likes, and attract followers. When people view your content, they will decide to follow you based on your profile, so it must look great. Have a fantastic photo to grab people's attention, have a good bio, and add interesting images in your posts. A simple way to start and increase engagement rates is to comment on other people's content first. If you like other people's content, they hopefully will like your content back. Most importantly, you need to do all these things consistently. Many influencers publish posts every day. Some publish a few times per week, but you must do the same action for a long time and on the same day. Nothing will happen if you publish a few posts in your first week. You will need to keep publishing for months. How to increase your followers? People that have more followers will obviously get more money. So how can you get more followers? As we said earlier, you need to publish consistently and have engaging content, but here are some extra things you can do. Link your other social media accounts. If you have followers on other platforms, you must invite them to your new profile. You can also link your new profile from blogs, forums, and other networks. Request a follow from your friends. You can ask for follow from people who meet offline. It can be friends, coworkers, or people you know from different activities. Interact with influencers. If you build a relationship with other influencers, you can get valuable shares and mentions. When influencers mention a person, they could potentially send thousands of people to you. You can speed up the growth of your account by connecting with the right people. Avoid fake followers and follow-to-follow strategies. especially on platforms like YouTube. You want not only followers but also views for you to grow your platform and start to earn money. Your engagement rate and follower to following rate are very important. They affect the algorithms of most platforms, and potential sponsors will check them every time. When you add fake followers, you have a low engagement rate. When you follow too many people, you destroy your follower to following rate. Use hashtags. Many people think that hashtags are less important than they used to be. However, hashtags are still popular because they help people to find relevant content. Many users add hashtags because other people are doing it. But if you want to make money on social, you need to have a strategy about your hashtags. They can increase your engagement rates and followers, even if it is not obvious that they influence your results. When you find a hashtag in your niche, you need to create relevant content. If you use the wrong hashtags or spam specific hashtags, you will frustrate other people and have the opposite results. You can use multiple hashtags. There are many studies about the right number of hashtags per post. For example, Instagram is from 9 to 12 hashtags per post. But, for sites like Facebook and Twitter, 1 hashtag per post is optimum. It would be a good idea to test the number and length of your hashtags. You can also create your own hashtags. Lastly, you can get ideas from your competitors. The easier and faster way to discover hashtags is to check what other people's posts with a lot of engagement have. Always create high-quality images and videos. Visuals get more engagement than any other type of content. People don't use social media to read articles or listen to stories. They want to see images and videos on topics they like. A big part of your content strategy must be focused on images and videos. If you use a platform like YouTube or Instagram, publishing this type of content is the only option you have. You don't have to use a studio or hire people to create videos. For a travel influencer, high quality can be a few videos with images. You can show snappy quick images of fun holidays or destinations. It is quite easy to make these videos at home. If you did beauty or fashion, you could show simple makeup tutorials or fashion tips and get millions of views. The length of the video can increase or decrease the quality. There is no magic duration for a video. It depends on the topic and your niche. If you can show everything you want in a few minutes, then keep it short. If you need extra time, you can increase the length. You need a good camera both for images and videos. Nowadays smartphones are the best option, or you could spend a bit more and get a DSLR camera. A great way to grow is to give away free stuff. We all love getting free stuff. So, many influencers give away free stuff and get more value back. Usually, influencers give away stuff and request a few actions in exchange, like follows, likes, and tags. It's quite easy to give something for free. If you have a travel niche, you can give a free trendy travel bag. It does not have to be anything special. But it's important to understand that if you give something of value, you will get more engagement. Use analytics. Most social media platforms have analytics and reports. YouTube gives a lot of details of your channel, Instagram has analytics on business accounts, Facebook has fan page analytics, etc. You need to use these analytics to figure out what works for you. Important details are the demographics of your audience. For example, you need to know their average age, location, interests, etc. Then, you get metrics about your posts. You can check views, likes and shares. When a type of post works on your profile and niche, you should create more posts like that one. People like specific topics and follow trends. If you know these trends, you can get great results. Consider affiliate marketing. If you use products in your posts, you can add links to these products and earn commissions if someone buys them. It is easier than searching for sponsors, but the products must be relevant to your niche and audience. Join an affiliate program where you will get your affiliate links. You could join the Amazon affiliate program or ClickBank for digital products. An extra option is to build an email list and promote products to your emails. Take a look at our video about affiliate marketing. Sell your own products. If you have your own products or want to create a product, you can build an online store. Try Etsy or Shopify. You can get pre-made stores and customize them to fit your needs. It is quite easy to add products. When you build your store, you can add your link to your social media profiles and promote it in some posts. Instead of promoting sponsors, you promote your brand and get the best possible value from it. Sell your services. This method is a good fit for people that can teach something or help other people. For example, fitness influencers or mindfulness coach can create programs for their followers. They can't sell their work as a product but as a service. They also can offer personal training or consulting services. When you get their contact details, you need a good strategy to close the deal. You can call them or send an email to start the conversation. The best part about offering your services is that you decide your rates. Using paid advertising. All social media platforms include ads that can boost your progress. There are different methods you can follow. First, you can boost your accounts. There are ads that send more viewers to your posts or increase your followers. If your goal is to become an influencer, you can target these options to get more engagement. If you want to make money right away without caring about the following, you can promote your products. If you are an affiliate marketer, have a store, or sell your services, you can create ads that promote them directly. Platforms like Facebook and YouTube give you great insights and demographics that you can use for ads. As you can see, there are loads of ways to make money on social media. You just need to decide your niche, the platform to work on, and what it is you want to offer. Get these right and you could be on the way to having a great income doing something you love. Please leave comments below.